Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talked about the Windows 11 operating system market share in general terms of the regular folks, users, business, and the fact that for the second month in a row, it actually goes down, and Windows 10 is rising again. But when you look at these same numbers from Steam on the gamer side, it's the complete opposite. Windows 11, look at this. Windows 11 in December has gained 6% market share. And that pushes Windows 11 to 55% of all the gaming laptops on Steam, or the gaming computers, sorry, not just laptops, but PCs. That's a huge number. It shows that two things I think happen here. One, of course, gamers have the latest hardware most of the time. They are the ones capable and have the minimum requirements. A lot of them kind of, tech enthusiasts, PC enthusiasts, and are kind of curious and move on to the new Windows. And the fact that I would guess who changes their computers more often than the average person, gamers, because of the hardware. And maybe the sales of gaming PCs for Christmas were high, but a jump of 6% is complete opposite of what we see in the standard market for Windows. Windows 10 dropped 5%. It is now only 42.4% of gaming PCs. Still high, but I guess Microsoft would probably like to have these kind of numbers for the regular standard user market. I'm pretty sure. So it is, two different worlds. Obviously, you could see that definitely gamers are, moving on. Regular users are not. It creates a very interesting distortion in the numbers when you think about it. So clearly Windows 11 very dominant for gamers on PCs. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.